Of using its total protection guard against scratches, scuffs, and wear. Customized style. Choose from a variety of stylish designs. Precision fit. Maintains a sleek profile without added bulk. Easy application and removal. Effortless process without professional help. Residue-free adhesive. Secure attachment without sticky residue.
Follow XtremeSkins. Many different social media platforms there that you can stay in touch with XtremeSkins. I gotta tell you something, man. This company puts out some really killer skins for your smartphones. Many to choose from over at www.extremeskins.co.uk. Yes, they're located in the UK, so please give them some time for delivery. Best time to order your skin is on a Monday. You'll probably have it at the end of the week. If it's towards the end of the week when you put that order in, well, you're going to have to wait a couple extra days. But honestly, XtremeSkins delivers a lot faster than a couple companies I've dealt with here in North America. With that, let's choose a skin. Now, I was going to put on the orange skin over the orange S24 Ultra because it's a little bit darker. But I've changed my mind ever since I looked at this one here. Yeah, I'm digging that. I'm digging the gold. And I'm not going to tell you the names of these other skins. I want you to go to the website and look for yourself because there's a lot going on over there as far as choosing a skin for your smartphone. And I'm going to tell you, you're not going to pay a lot to beautify, to sexify your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or any smartphone you want to put a skin on.
We got the skin, I got the smartphone, the S24 Ultra, I got this little rubbery pad that I'm going to use to set my S24 Ultra on. I got this microfiber cloth, and I have the alcohol prep wipe right here. And I got a blow dryer to heat up the adhesive on the back of the skin so it sticks nicely to the back of my S24 Ultra. But there is an important rule when using extreme heat. Constantly move it around. Do not let the heat sit in one area of the device. It can damage the skin, but more importantly, it's going to damage your smartphone. So you want to move that heat around. You do not want to damage your smartphone. Just be patient. Do this process when you have the time.
I have this guitar pick because I'm going to have to remove the Rinky camera glass protectors that I have on my S24 Ultra. If you purchase the Rinky camera glass lens protectors, this little guy comes in the package, and it's going to help you remove these guys. You just got to have some patience. Wow, I got to tell you, those little guys were on there really well. All right, so let's go ahead and begin the process. Nothing like a little extra Samsung on my S24 Ultra. That just looks beautiful. Brushed gold. That is gorgeous. I will be bringing in some more camera glass lens protectors. I might test out a different brand. The Rinky ones are a thumbs up. They really, really are. Wow, that is gorgeous. All right, I have a case here that I've already reviewed, fully reviewed, from UAG, the Plyo Pro. That does have magnet for MagSafe on the back there. The purpose of a case, well, it's to protect. The case looks great from UAG. It's going to protect my investment. Got that see-through back, hard plastic see-through back. And it's going to help press up against the skin to help it adhere, to help it stick and stay on the back of my S24 Ultra.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Come on, folks. That is just filthy. Man, that is brutal. Look at that. Wow. That is gorgeous. Thank you so much, XtremeSkins. Don't forget, man, go over to the website and check out not just these, but a ton of other skins. Seriously, you're not going to pay a lot. Shipping is great coming out of the UK. And this is what you're going to get right here. Wow. That is... Okay, yeah. I'm going to stop, okay? I'm going to stop right there. You let me know what you think down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase the skin, the Rinky camera glass protectors, the UAG Plyo Pro will be down below in the description area. Yeah, wow. Gotta get the thumbnail. Right there. Wow. All right. I said I was done. I'm done now. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. Peace. I am.